Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove background in Canva without Canva Pro. Let's get started. First things first. Create a new design. Or if you already have one, you can open it. Once it is created, then from the left menu, click on Apps section. Then search for Background Eraser app. Then click on this app. Then click on Choose File. Then select Photo from your File Explorer. Then click on Open. Then click on Remove Background. Then it will start doing its magic. And boom! The background is erased. And that's how you remove background in Canva without Canva Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.